Keep the beam steady, I'm trying to see inside. Roger, moving slowly. There, on the dash. Is that it? $17.4 meters. Unbelievable. The depth is marked. It's buried deeper than expected. Calculating dimensions. Reading length 20.8 meters. Confirmed. The submerged truck matches the T284MA specifications perfectly. Confirmation. Initiate recovery protocols. T284MASN 009394833. Beacons secure. Systems coming online.
Heading out.
Affirmative. Front slings okay. Ready at the rear. Connections secure. Signal lift. Keep pushing it, easy on the left. Almost there, signal them to hold. All right, it's steady, bring it up.
Hold the line steady. Easy down.
Got it, slow and precise.
Coming into land, prepare for contact.
Contact.
All clear. Keep it steady. Down slow. Contact. She's taking the weight. Unhook it. Copy that. Rig and slack. It's secure.
Tighten it up. Ready? Let it go.
All clear here. Let's check the next one. Keep scraping those ribs. Get the edges there. Watch the spray. Keep it moving, get the whole front. Almost done here, looks good. Keep those jets moving, get the sides clean. Make sure the grill is clear, almost done. Keep pulling. It's tangled deep in the brake lines.
Got it. Watch out for these barnacles.
Heavy piece. Let's get this one in the bin. Keep it steady. Guide it in. Looks good, just a little left. Watch the back tires. Perfect, she's down. All clear. Crane, you can go up.
Keep the angle steady. Target the wheel wells. Almost done with this section.
Moving to the back now. Clear the drainage. Almost done here.
Make sure to get deep into the weld seams. The roller covers the flat sections quickly. Don't miss the pitted areas here.
All right, next one is good. Okay. Marking it now, 2.3. Keep it steady. Watch your hands there.
Lowering.
Lowering now.
Clear.
Clear. Right, let's get the new plate ready. Keep checking the torque on that axle. Almost got it. This rust is a beast. Grab the impact wrench over here. Keep pushing. All right, hitting it now. Just a bit more. It's coming loose. Got it.
Got it.
Careful, let's guide it down. Ease it onto the stand.
All right, give it some juice.
Almost there, got it.
Lifting eyes are on. Move back, clear the bay.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Just a little more to the left.
Clear rail.
Clear the frame rails. Perfect. Let's move it over to the stand now.
The emulsified oil, look at that pitting.
Yeah.
Yes, especially on the pinion gear. We need to mark this for replacement immediately.
All right, seats loose, heavy. Bring it out. Panels next. Wiring is a mess. Need to cut here. Watch out for that rust. It's flaking everywhere. Almost through the top now. Got my suction cups set. Ready? Go ahead.
All right.
Pulling it loose. Careful of the edges. Watch the sealant. It's really stuck.
Bed's coming off now. Looking good.
Clearance is clear.
Setting it down slowly.
Line it up, steady now. Clear, bring it down. Torque set. Ready for the next one.
Keep it steady, watching the alignment. Almost there. Guide it just a bit to the right. Right, it's on the pads now. Grab the bolts. Secure the front mount first. Good, now the rear.
All right, a little bit further back.
Where?
Right there. Perfect, get a bolt in.
All right, watch the stud alignment.
Got it.
Got it. Now the pneumatic. Hand tight the nuts first.
Ready the torque wrench.
Ready the torque wrench. 5 clicks per nut. Steering check. Passing the leak test on central axles. Fronts are clear. Hydraulics are green. Ready for body work. Keep it steady there. Lower it down slowly, bit by bit. Watch the pins on the right. Perfect.
Hold it steady, the roof's gotta be perfect.
I've got it. We're right on the line now.
Just a few more tacks here, then we can check the window gaps. The bed seam feels smooth. Move to the frame.
Okay. Matching factory lines now.
Measure twice, apply once. Looks perfectly straight. Ready to peel the backing.
Keep working on that clear coat. Looks flawless already. Let's make it sparkle. Getting the glass perfect now.
The gauge is showing optimal levels.
Confirmed. Shutting off the flow.
Verified. Engine oil complete.
The coolant level looks good. Hydraulics are topped off, logging the final reading now.
Diagnostics initialized, flashing new firmware, calibration parameters confirmed, system check complete. Excellent.
All right, systems power up. Here we go. Engaging master switch, all systems nominal. Ready.
The bed is starting its ascent. Hydraulics look smooth, no leaks. Reach maximum extension. Check the seals. Clear, bring it down. Bed is resting snug. Looks good here. Copy that.